To inspect and replace the drive belt in your Ranger 500, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Begin by lifting the cargo box. Then, remove the 8 fasteners securing the clutch cover. Now, remove the cover by lifting it over the A-arm assembly. Continue by rotating the cover towards the engine and rotate it clockwise and remove from the vehicle. Make sure the cover gasket does not fall out of the groove when removing the cover. Next, mark the drive belt direction of rotation so it can be installed in the same direction. Then, walk the belt out of the driven clutch and drive clutch. Once complete, remove the belt from the vehicle. Now, remove all debris wrapped in and around the PVT system. After this, remove all debris from the entire clutch air duct passage. Next, check for signs of damage to seals on the transmission and engine. If any seals appear to be damaged, your vehicle requires prompt service. Your Polaris dealer can assist. To install the belt, ensure it is installed in the same direction as it was removed. Remove any debris found in the clutch ducting before reassembly. Warning: components may be hot with use and cause burns. Wear protective gloves when inspecting. Continue by rotating the driven clutch and walk the belt into the clutch. Now, make sure the PVT cover seal is fully seated and inspect for damage. Replace if necessary. Clean the inside of the PVT cover carefully. Note: use care when installing the clutch cover. Do not damage the cover, intake boot, or electrical harness. After this, install the cover into the vehicle and rotate it counterclockwise. Once complete, lift the rear of the cover up to the A-arm while simultaneously rotating it away from the engine. Next, lift the cover over the A-arm assembly and line it up with the mounting holes. Then, install the 8 bolts that secure the outer PVT cover to the vehicle. Torque to specification. Finally, lower the cargo box and ensure it is secure. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.